Welcome to Pinnacle Skill and Management. Guys, nowadays we are doing videos on behavioral questions which are tricky one and difficult to understand and difficult to reply. And most of the candidates rather not give its complete answer, or they share the partial information, and sometimes they feel embarrassed and they do not reply appropriately of the behavioral questions because of their many difficulties. So today we will discuss one of the very important behavioral question which is frequently asked by the interviewer to the interviewee. Tell me some events where you handle the situation independently successfully. This is one of the questions which the interviewer asks with the interviewee. Guys, this is a difficult question and the objective of the interviewer is very clear. Number one, he wants to analyze that how you analyze any situation. Then what is your potential to develop the counter plan? How much you are successful in executing that plan? And how you handle your team when you are executing a plan so that you get the success. And then finally, what is the result, conclusion, and how do you report it? So in one question, there is multiple objective of the interviewer. So it's not easy one. But again, I will say, I will not go to give you a ready-made answer that you just memorize it and deliver, because it's not the part of the memorization. It's the matter of thinking, analyzing, planning, executing. So every time it will be different, and maybe whatever I will share the ready-made answer, that would not be your situation. So before going into depth of this question, I will give you the how to drive the answer of this question. I will share with you the outline. So that will help you to reply in each segment where you are working about this tricky question. Guys, now you to tell to your interviewer that I resolved this situation through a STAR method. And you know STAR method is S stand for the situation. So first I analyze why this situation occurred, and T stand for task. So what are the challenges in this situation which need to be addressed and which need to be resolved? So I have taken two actions. I have analyzed the situation, and then I have decided the challenges and which need to be resolved. And then A stand for the action. So I have decided what kind of action is required to resolve this situation, and R stand for the result. So finally I predict that this will be the result and the outcome of the entire situation. So I applied the STAR technique to resolve this issue. My objective was to analyze the situation independently and develop a plan and to execute it through the team members and to turn the situation into the company favor. So I analyzed the entire situation and developed a strategic plan and executed it well by my team members, and we overcome the situation, and the product which was going in negative, that changed into 20% growth. Now here the interviewer can ask you a question. Tell me the strategy which you applied, right? So whatever the strategy you applied there, you can share that strategy. That could be, definitely you have taken certain action to overcome the situation. So you brief the reason to the interviewer that this was my strategy, and this gradually, and this was my, plan to get work through my team members, and this was the contribution and the enthusiasm of the team member. The action is a very important part of the action strategy. So I have developed the strategy in many ways. So here I would like to share with you, I have conducted the survey of the market and find out the gaps and opportunities to promote my product. Number one, I have re-evaluated the product positioning strategy and drive the loophole areas and revised it for the field force and focus it to the value achievement. Number third, I personally meet with many health care professionals and analyze what they are thinking by taking their interview and drive a comprehensive strategy for them to get them back on our product. Number fourth, I have trained my team members over the new strategies, developed session for their development, and taken the demo how they will deliver and execute the strategy. After ensuring that I allowed them to go and implement that strategy. Number fifth, then I have used the digital marketing to increase and improve the reach of our customers. So we can develop the new customer and we can convince the old customer with the new strategy. So these 5 actions I have taken to overcome this situation. The results of this case was we have successfully gained the 25% growth over the same period last year, and we retained almost 40% customers who were switching from our company to our company product to another product. And this overall response was considered good in that situation, and my company has given me an additional portfolio of handling such type of cases in the organization. So that was all about my one independent case, my case which I handled independently. Guys, here you have seen that we have successfully resolved the situation. Your confidence in the interview will depict that how productive you will be for the company if you have been selected. And definitely the interviewer will love to hire those candidates who have a complete plan and who have the attitude of success. In response to these efforts, if you think it is positive, please subscribe our channel so that you can get all the videos on time. So guys, see you in the next video. Till that time, bye.